So what people have done is aggregate private data banks and build a chatbot that can access this data and answer questions based on it. And I realized this is exactly what I want for my product. I built a bot that generates lean canvases for any product I want and saves me several hours of UX research for any product that I'm studying at that time. It only costs several cents and takes about 2 minutes per product. And all I have to do is find several information sources about the product. This could be YouTube videos describing it, its website, internet articles, feed that into the bot, and the bot does the rest of the work. Again, it only takes several minutes, and at the end, I have a full lean canvas that I can edit as I desire. As a UX researcher, I begin every project by understanding the product in question. So this involves me getting my hands dirty with it, downloading the app, using it in my day-to-day life. This is the user experience component of it and what is mostly associated with UX research. There's also another side of things that's more product management focused, in that this research is best summarized with a lean canvas. If you don't know, a lean canvas is something that was developed for startups to help them think through their product idea and the operation of their business. And a lean canvas is great because it tells you everything you need to know about a product and a business in a matter of minutes. So there are different sections in a lean canvas central to the product. So this could be the customer segments, the problems they experience, and then the solution that the product provides. There are other sections for how the product differentiates itself from others, like its unique value proposition and unfair advantages and barriers to entry. And finally, there are some business-related sections like marketing channels, how the product generates revenue, and also the costs that the business incurs in developing and maintaining the product. When working on product teams, I often find that designers and developers have a mixed understanding. They're on different pages, especially when it comes to who the product is for, the problems of the user group, and then what the product actually does for those users. So a lean canvas is a great source of truth for product teams. The designers and developers can continue to come back to this lean canvas and refresh their understanding of the product they're working on. So it's needless to say that as a UX researcher, I'm building a lot of lean canvases in my day-to-day work, yet the process for building them is still very manual and time-consuming for me. It's around several hours of desk research for me to generate or build a lean canvas from scratch. So I started to think about how I could automate this product research, and this triggered a thought in my head I had seen before. People are building question-answer chatbots on private data. You see, the problem with ChatGPT is it only has an awareness of public data up until September 2021. So what people have done is aggregate private data banks and build a chatbot that can access this data and answer questions based on it. And I realized this is exactly what I want for my product. I would aggregate product information into one place and then create a chatbot that can ask lean canvas questions of it, extract the relevant information, and give me the information that I need to build out a lean canvas. So the bot is really simple. The user has to go onto the internet and find links to the information they want to include. So you can include the product website, links to news articles talking about the product. You can upload transcripts of YouTube videos where the product is being discussed. And you try to get a broad range of information that would cover all the sections of the lean canvas. Then the bot does some pre-processing steps, but I'm not going to bore you with the details. Really, all that's happening at the end of the day is I have a database, and then I'm asking the model, just like you would type into ChatGPT and ask a question of it, I'm asking the model 9 questions, 1 for each section of the lean canvas. I will tell you about one optimization that I learned while I was building this product. I started by asking the AI the lean canvas questions in no particular order, and this produced a pretty good output, but what I found was there's actually a logical sequence to a lean canvas. If you start by asking, what is the product overall, then you can ask, who are the users? What do the users want? How does the product address what the users want? this logical ordering produced better results. And so I fed the AI's last answer into its current question, and this provided even more context for the AI to create even better responses. Also, I started with the AI being super factual. So I passed it a prompt that said, do not make up any answers. If you don't receive the information that you need, just say that you don't know the answer. And usually the AI would get, let's say, 4 out of the 9 Lean Canvas sections and leave the rest of the sections blank. But what I realized that really the desired user behavior is for the AI to take its best shot at answering the section and then tell you, hey, I'm sort of speculating here. And so this is what I changed. I removed the need for the AI to be super factual, and I said, give plausible responses if you don't have the information that you need, but tell me that you're speculating when you do so. So now the output is always a full Lean Canvas. Some are factual and some the AI speculated on, but those speculated responses are labeled by the AI so the user knows. And this response is editable. So the user has a full draft in front of him or her, and then they can go in and edit as they need. So this really does speed up the research process. So that's the beginning of my Lean Canvas bot. Let me know what you all think. Should I productize this? Should I build a nice UI for it? I haven't really decided yet, but I wanted to share the beginning of this builder journey with you and hopefully inspire you to start a project of your own. Thank you all for watching.